I feel truly privileged to be able to welcome this exceptional group as our special visitors, and also to welcome the Wounded Warrior Program once again to Bonaire. The Wounded Warriors have been visiting us since 2006, thanks to the support and enthusiasm of sponsors in the USA and on the island. Bonaire is especially grateful to the late Jack Chalk and Michael Gaynor, who were the rocks behind this program, together with the ladies of Adams Unlimited in New York. By hosting the Wounded Warriors on Bonaire once more, we also pay tribute to Jack and Michael in memoriam for their dedication to this program over the years. I also want to take the opportunity to thank all the sponsors, we've all heard them, as well as the team at the TCB who made this visit possible. Mashadanki, all of you. To the visiting soldiers, I wish to express not only our welcome, but mostly our heartfelt gratitude on behalf of the people of Bonaire. It is said that serving your country is one of the greatest sacrifices one can make. As you serve alongside the Allied forces, including our armed forces of the Netherlands, you leave your home to fight so that we may sleep peacefully in our homes. I assure you that we do not take this for granted. Although Bonaire is a small island in the Caribbean, we are certainly affected and aware of global events. We recognize your sacrifice and are immensely grateful to you and your families. This is why we wholeheartedly support the Wounded Warriors program. Each time we meet a new group of warriors, our admiration for you grows even more. We admire your courage, your strength, and most of all, your resilience. We hope you're enjoying our island, its hospitality, and having a lot of fun diving to your heart's content in our beautiful underwater park. In closing, I want you to know that you're always welcome here. On Bonaire, once you're a visitor, you're always our friend. This is especially true for you, the Wounded Warriors. We respect you and we salute you. We hope to welcome you to our island many more times in the future. On behalf of the Lieutenant Governor, I wish to extend an especial bombini to the Wounded Warriors. He could not be here tonight. He is busy across the street. But he told me, make sure that I let you know that he wishes you a pleasant stay on our island. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your evening.